Ever found yourself in that tight spot, waiting for payday, and thought, man, if only I could access a bit of my earnings now? You've probably heard about Beforepay, right? That app that promises to give you access to your pay early. But here's the burning question, is it only for U.S. residents? It's a question I've seen pop up a lot, and honestly, it's a valid one. In today's interconnected world, we're used to services being available globally, or at least across a wide range of countries. But financial services? They often come with a whole heap of localized regulations and requirements. Let's dig into this. Beforepay, at its core, is designed to help people bridge the gap between pay cycles. It offers a way to access a portion of your earned wages before your official payday. This can be a lifesaver when unexpected expenses crop up, or when you simply need a little extra cash to get by. Now, the crucial point, Beforepay is specifically designed and operates within the United States. This means that to be eligible, you need to be a U.S. resident. This isn't just a casual requirement, it's tied to a number of factors, including banking regulations, employment verification, and the way Beforepay integrates with U.S. payroll systems. Think about it, financial services need to comply with local laws and regulations. These regulations can vary significantly from country to country. Beforepay needs to verify your employment and income, which is done through linking your bank account and payroll system. This process is streamlined for U.S.-based systems. It's important to understand why this limitation exists. Beforepay needs to ensure it's operating within the legal framework of the regions it serves. Expanding internationally isn't as simple as flipping a switch. It involves navigating complex legal landscapes, establishing partnerships with local banks, and adapting its technology to suit different payroll systems. So, if you're outside the U.S., unfortunately, you won't be able to use Beforepay. This doesn't mean similar services don't exist in your country. There are plenty of apps and platforms offering early wage access, but they'll be tailored to the specific regulations and infrastructure of your region. It's also worth noting that the financial technology landscape is constantly evolving. What's limited today might expand tomorrow. Companies like Beforepay are always looking for opportunities to grow and reach new markets. However, that growth needs to be sustainable and compliant. For those of you in the U.S., Beforepay can be a handy tool. Just remember to use it responsibly and understand the terms and conditions. For those outside the U.S., explore local options and always prioritize financial literacy and responsible money management. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.